Once upon a time, in a fantastical land, there lived a curious and adventurous young woman named Barbie. But she was not an ordinary girl, she possessed a magical ability to transform into any living creature she desired. This gift had been bestowed upon her by an ancient sorceress who saw great potential in Barbie's kind heart. One day, while exploring the enchanted forest near her village, Barbie stumbled upon a mysterious portal hidden among the ancient trees. Intrigued by its shimmering aura, she couldn't resist the temptation to step through it. Little did she know that this portal would lead her to an extraordinary world filled with human-sized birds, talking animals, and mythical creatures. As Barbie emerged on the other side, she found herself in the kingdom of Avionica. Here, birds ruled the skies, animals walked on two legs, and everything seemed both familiar and utterly strange at the same time. The creatures of Avionica were a diverse bunch, ranging from the wise and noble eagle knights to the mischievous and cunning fox bandits. But soon, Barbie discovered that Avionica was not the idyllic realm it appeared to be. A dark and sinister force was plaguing the land, casting a shadow over its once vibrant beauty. The kingdom's skies, once filled with harmonious melodies, were now haunted by eerie screeches and ominous whispers. Determined to unravel the mystery behind Avionica's plight, Barbie set out on a thrilling adventure. Along the way, she encountered a group of newfound friends: Azura, a graceful peacock princess with a voice that could enchant anyone; Orion, a loyal and brave wolf guardian with piercing blue eyes; and Pippin, a mischievous squirrel with a heart of gold. Together, they traversed dense forests, treacherous mountains, and vast deserts, facing numerous challenges and dangers. In each predicament, Barbie would use her unique ability to shape-shift into different creatures, providing invaluable aid to her friends. As they delved deeper into the heart of Avionica, they uncovered a dark secret. A malevolent sorceress named Morana was behind the kingdom's suffering. She sought to control the land and exploit its magical essence for her own nefarious purposes. With the once mighty ruler of Avionica, King Elias, missing, the kingdom was vulnerable to Morana's wicked schemes. Barbie and her friends realized that they must restore the balance of Avionica and save its inhabitants from Morana's grasp. The final confrontation took place in the mystical sky citadel, high above the clouds. Morana's dark magic clashed with Barbie's newfound abilities, and the fate of Avionica hung in the balance. In a spectacular battle, Barbie's friends fought courageously, and the creatures of Avionica rallied behind them. The human-sized birds swooped down, and the animals charged forward, standing united against Morana's dark forces. In a moment of revelation, Barbie discovered that her gift to transform into different creatures was not merely a power but a symbol of unity and harmony among all living beings. She embraced this revelation, harnessing the collective strength of Avionica's creatures, and together, they overpowered Morana's malevolence. With Morana defeated and the land of Avionica restored to its former glory, Barbie bid farewell to her new friends, promising to visit them whenever she could. As she stepped back through the portal, she couldn't help but marvel at the incredible journey she had embarked on. Back in her own world, Barbie knew she would never forget the thrilling adventure she had shared with the human-sized birds and animals of Avionica. And whenever she gazed up at the sky, she would remember that she was never alone, for she had made friends that transcended the boundaries of human form. The memory of their bravery and unity would forever inspire her to be the best version of herself and to cherish the connections she made, no matter how unique or fantastical they may be.